How to recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. So if you want to recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on your Snapchat, or if you want to recover the messages, what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Under your profile, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. From your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with My Data, which is on the bottom of your screen. Tap on My Data and it might ask you to enter the password. So you just need to simply enter your password. And after that, you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to select the messages. So only choose messages, because if you've chosen everything, then it might take a few days or a few hours to receive the data. So make sure that you've selected only the important files. I'll just simply go with chat history and memories and other media. And that's it, these two. And after that, go with next, which is on the bottom right, and select the date range. So choose the data range. I'll just go with last week, and you can confirm your email and then go with submit. Once you've submitted, then within a few hours or within 24 hours, you will receive your data to your mail, which you've just confirmed right here. So after a few hours, you can open up your mail and you will have the file. You can go and download that file and see all of your data. So that's how you can recover your deleted photos, videos, Snapchats, or chats from Snapchat. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.